Introducing the Logitech Z313 2.1 Multimedia speaker system with subwoofer, offering full-range audio and powerful bass with 50 watts peak power. This sustainable product is designed for easy setup and compatibility with various devices including PC, PS4, Xbox, TV, smartphone, tablet, and music players. Its control pod allows convenient volume and headphone control, while the compact subwoofer delivers deep bass in tight spaces. With 14,773 ratings and a 4.4-star average, it's a popular choice for immersive sound experiences. Get yours now for $59.99 or explore bundle options for added value.
Z313 speaker system that I want to talk to you about. This thing's great. It's lasted me about 13 years. There's quite a few pieces to it that I think you might maybe be questioning on if you want to buy it or not and how it all hooks up. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. On the Logitech Z313, you have the big piece here. This is the subwoofer. This thing does pack a punch. If you're living in an apartment complex, you could make your neighbors mad, so you gotta be careful about that. Let me go ahead and show you the back of this thing. So there's actually a couple different plugins. We'll talk about that one in a minute. So this one right here is the cord to your outlet that you're gonna plug into your wall, obviously to power it. And then this cord right here connects to your volume control, and the cords on these things are pretty long too, so you've got quite a range on this thing. And so that cord connects to your volume control here, and there's also the power button, and there's a jack for headphones. And then this cord will come through, and this is where you actually connect this to your device that has an auxiliary port. I use this for my computer. So once you have your subwoofer plugged into the wall, you have your auxiliary port plugged into your device, and you kind of got that set up. You have these two speakers here, and these have a cord that splits here, and this is another auxiliary cable. And so this is what powers these two speakers here. This actually plugs in here into the back of the subwoofer, boom, and that's what's going to power your two individual speakers. I really like this thing. Like I said, it's lasted me 13 years. The way I had this set up was I had the big part, the subwoofer, underneath my desk, facing me, obviously, and then I had these two speakers set out on the sides of my monitors. And it really is a great speaker set. So I hope you enjoyed this video and a little bit of insight into what all these pieces do and how it all works. Thanks.
Introducing the Polk Audio Signa S2 low-profile TV soundbar, featuring a premium ultra-slim design and a wireless subwoofer for rich sound with deep bass. With 5 powerful full-range drivers, Dolby digital decoding, and Polk's exclusive voice adjust technology, it offers excellent sound clarity and value. Easily upgrade your home theater experience with this versatile soundbar, compatible with 4K HD smart TVs and various audio sources. Stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth from your favorite apps, and setup is a breeze with included HDMI and optical cables. Get yours now for a discounted price of $169 and enhance your entertainment setup today.
Nothing is more frustrating than straining to hear critical lines of dialogue in your favorite TV show or movie. Today's TVs look impressive, but their tiny built-in speakers don't do a very good job of reproducing clear, intelligible speech. Soundbars dramatically improve TV sound, but with background music, effects, and other sounds competing with dialogue, voices can get drowned out in the mix. Polk's patented voice adjust technology clarifies speech with the push of a button. It works by raising the volume of the center voice channel and emphasizing the frequencies that make speech intelligible. By emphasizing the center channel, where most dialogue is focused, Voice Adjust improves the intelligibility of dialogue while preserving the full sonic impact of your favorite program. And it sounds great no matter where you sit. Polk Voice Adjust makes dialogue loud and clear. You'll never miss a memorable moment again.
Introducing the Majority Baufeld 50-watt 2.0 Bluetooth TV soundbar, a compact yet powerful audio solution packed with the latest technology. With dual stereo speakers and 15 inches in length. Experience true cinematic surround sound at home. This versatile soundbar offers Bluetooth connectivity, EQ control, and 5 audio modes for customized audio experiences, whether it's music, gaming, movies, or live sports. Enjoy easy setup with multiple connection options including AUX, optical, and RCA, and control it wirelessly with the included remote. With a compact design, the Baufeld fits perfectly under your TV or on your desk, delivering immersive sound for your TV or PC. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year extended warranty and hassle-free return policy. Get yours now for a discounted price of $34.95 and elevate your audio experience today.
Alright guys, I want to do a quick review on my Majority 2.1 soundbar, but it also comes with the subwoofer. This is it right here that I have set up. Y'all, look how clean this subwoofer looks. It's got auxiliary, it's got Bluetooth, it's got USB, it's got optical. Man, so I have this one set up in my game room. So you can see I already have it set up. I'm going to turn it on real quick. Like, it sounds super clean. I'm gonna put it up a little bit. This is a remote that it comes with. Put that just a little more. But this is a remote that it comes with. We can mute it real quick. It's got the music, movie. You can turn up the bass on the subwoofer, or turn up the treble, or just reset it all together. Like I said, it also does come with Bluetooth, so I do like that feature for sure. So if you're looking for a good, reliable soundbar, look at this one. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space, but the sound, really, really nice, man. Like, really, really nice. I like it. Like I said, look how clean that looks here. Put that in your man cave, put that wherever you want. Go ahead and fire it up one more time. And I wish you could hear the bass. Like, you feel it. So again, if you're looking for a good, reliable one, it's one that I recommend by Majority, 10 out of 10.
Introducing the Sony HTX8500 2.1ch Dolby Atmos/DTS-X soundbar with built-in subwoofer, renowned for its immersive audio experience with 7.1.2ch Dolby Atmos/DTS-X and vertical sound engine. Featuring dual built-in subwoofers for deep bass and upscaling of all sound close to 7.1.2ch audio, it offers 7 different sound modes to enhance entertainment. With voice enhancement for greater clarity and a slim, low-profile design, it seamlessly complements your TV. Enjoy 4K HDR pass-through-enabled quality and easy integration with your AV system via HDMI and optical inputs. Get yours now for a discounted price of $198 and elevate your home entertainment setup today.
All right, we've got this amazing Sony soundbar, and we have this right here, right in the living room, right under the TV. And straight up, dude, the sound quality of this is just, it's straight up, dude. I mean, it's amazing. So amazing for parties. This will fill the room, fill the house. You will just, everything in your life will become more amazing. And as you know, as you start to feel amazing, everything in your life starts working out. So when you get this, it will cause everything in your life to just work. Highly recommend.
Introducing the TREBLAB HD77 wireless Bluetooth speaker, delivering rich 360 degrees HD sound with 30W stereo speakers and TWS mode for 60W crystal clear sound and deep bass. This rugged speaker is built to withstand the elements with shockproof, dustproof, and IPX6 waterproof features, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0, a 20-hour battery life, and convenient control buttons. Plus, add ambience with ambient LED lights. Get yours now for a discounted price of $69.95 and elevate your music experience wherever you go.
Oh yeah, it sounds pretty good. I like it. It's got good bass. It's got good kick. I'm impressed.
The TREBLAB HD77, I have to say, I am so impressed with this little guy.
Playtime's really good. This is awesome.
I was actually pleasantly surprised with how premium the HD77 felt. The HD77 does a fantastic job, but for the average everyday user, this is still really good.
They're giving you amazing sound quality for a really good price. This thing is fantastic. Really good battery life, will easily last you. Build quality on this thing is really good.
This is amazing. The TREBLAB HD77, fantastic speaker. Built really well. It's the best Bluetooth speaker in that price range by far. I'm very, very, very impressed.
And you could just see them pounding away. I think that's so awesome for less than $100. And I gotta say, I'm impressed. I say get it.